Hello, so today I am doing something, I've got my hair in curlers today because I'm trying a Grace Kelly look. Reason being, I took delivery of Les Rouge's latest lipstick refill, which is called Society, and it's based on High Society, Grace Kelly inspired. So I had a bit of a look online to see if I could find a Grace Kelly makeup tutorial, and I found one. So I'm going to start out with, I might put some primer on first because it's meant to be hot today, and this is a SPF 25 primer by Rimmel, so I'll start with that. Foundation, I'm using Les Rouge's 12, which might be a bit dark for me, but I'll give it a go anyway. Anything in there. The lady I watched also put foundation on the eyelids, so I'll do that. I wouldn't normally do. Use this mirror. I'm going to use all three of them. I'll use the light one first. That one looks quite dark. Make sure the dark one, which is one in the middle, is a little dark. Gosh. Too dark there, maybe. Okay, line up. Just draw. So I've got Tattoo Brow, which is a really old one. Oh, by Maybelline. I don't think you can still get it because it's that old. And then use a angled eyeliner brush to blend it and try and bring it out a bit. Eyeshadow. So going to NYX, and she says use a smoky one, so maybe that one, smoky brown. Just a tiny little mirror again. She says just put it on the eyelash bit. A clean brush. I've gone for that one. I can't remember which one. And go under the eye. And next, mascara. I'm going to go to the outer corner of the mascara. Eldridge Rouge Kitten Lash formula, by the way. And I'm going to go and use, nearly run out of Chanel, Les Beige. Put it on the back of my hand because it's a liquid one. So she says use cream blusher. I go for the liquid one. That'll do. Just going to wash my hands and take my rollers out. Okay, so I'm going to take my rollers out now. What this is going to look like. Ooh. A whole new experiment for me. So the lady I watched do it did pin curl, but I thought, oh, looks like far too much trouble, and you have to sleep with pins in your hair, and I don't think I'll be able to manage that. Maybe-ish. I don't know. Anyway, so the last thing, I'm going to put my 1950s style cardigan on. I can look a bit more Grace Kelly-esque. Oh gosh. Now then, so lipstick. So going to replace my normal. So I've currently got Audrey in here, and just pull it out. That's quite easy. And I've seen them say you can just use this like a normal lipstick, but this doesn't stay on. So if you were to use it as a normal lipstick, I'd leave it at home and not put it in the in your handbag or anything, because that will just fall off. So I'm going to put that on there. Got that. This in here. Wherever I put it there. I can't remember which one it is. Is it this? That's the bottom. No, that's the bottom. Where's the bottom? That's the bottom. And it clicks into place. So I'll do that again. On top. So that's putting the refill back in. And I'm going to try this lipstick, which is a pinky colour. And it's called Society. feel like I need to go with my eyebrows because they look a bit dark. Tell you what. I've got a buffer brush. Try that first, and if that doesn't work, what do you think? I know this is a Grace Kelly inspired look using Society by Les Eldridge. I hope you enjoyed that video, and please like and subscribe if you want to see more of my content.